toxic trait is thinking that I can do everything, and I just I've discovered that I was incorrect about that.
Is Olivia even a person? Is Olivia an emotion? Is she a place? We don't know.
Hi, my name is Olivia, and you're watching Via Christina. So it's been a long time. I am in a different country. I'm in England right now. Love to see it, love to see it. So I'm currently doing a study abroad program. I've really enjoyed it so far. I've been here for a month, and it's been really nice. I've seen London, I've seen Windsor. I plan to go to a lot of different other places. I have a Five Sauce concert coming up in Belfast. I'm seeing Harry Styles in Glasgow. I'm seeing James Bay in London. I'm seeing Louis Tomlinson in Manchester. Why are we revving our engines? That is so loud for what? But yeah, I have a lot of concerts coming up that I'm really excited about. I've been doing school, obviously. It's kind of like the point of me coming here. It's like a school thing. But yeah, I've just been able to like see things and do things that I haven't been able to do in the States, and it's been great. So that's a little life update on me. I apologize for the lack of videos. I've been more active on TikTok. I really enjoy TikTok. I think it's a really easy platform to use. I don't have to edit a bunch of stuff. So if you want to follow me on TikTok, if you actually care about what I'm doing, that is a good place to follow me. I post a little bit on Instagram, but not as much anymore. I can probably get better about that. I should probably try to get better about that. But today, I purchased this, which is a bad idea for me. I also have these little like face razors, which I don't know if these are good for cutting hair. I want to give myself a Wolfcut. I already have like the layers, but I don't have the layers in the back at all. And I've been that was tragic. I've been watching a lot of videos about how people can give themselves Wolfcuts. I have an undercut, so this is what my hair looks like right now. I did cut it myself recently, and so it's a little uneven now, but we're not going to talk about that. But a lot of the ways that people do wolf cuts is they take half of their hair and cut that, and then they take the other half of their hair and cut that. But I don't have a lot of the underneath hair, so I don't know how the layers are going to work on me. But if I completely mess up my hair, I don't know. I have an appointment tomorrow to get my septum changed to a ring. So I just want to be like ultimate cool girl. Like I want a wolf cut. I want my septum changed out. Like I just want to be cool. Okay. Why? We're doing that right now. So if you want to watch me potentially mess up my hair, keep watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the mini life update, I guess. I don't know. I haven't sat down and filmed a video in so long. It's so weird. We're now in my bathroom. I literally just walked into my kitchen, and for some reason my roommate is also cutting his hair right now, which is really funny to me. He's like he has like a razor, which would have been really convenient because I shaved my head with like a razor, but I didn't have a guard, and it was bald. So would have been nice to know, but it's fine. I'm gonna set this up different and then part my hair and then yeah, okay. I'm gonna part my hair down the middle. Okay. So what I've seen is people take kind of like this area, mind frame, like I don't know, this area of their hair, and just go down. And so I'm gonna put this up. And then take this, all these front sections, and this is just gonna go in a ponytail. Okay, I'm gonna try to get that pretty smooth. And I already have layers, so I'm like not super worried about this. Cause it's like, it's not scary, you know? Like I already have layers. But I am going to just take this and I think I'm just gonna cut to like here. That's so scary. Hold on. Okay, I think I'm gonna cut to like here. Oh no. Things are happening. Okay, I already have layers, so like I don't know how to like, hold on. I'm so scared for what's about to happen. Oh my god, okay. Oh god. Okay, that's not that bad. Okay, now I've seen where people comb it forward. And then just, because the over direction does something, I don't know. Sure. Oh god. Okay, okay, it's very choppy right now. Like, why is this so choppy? I'm trying to like fix it, dude. Like, I don't understand like why it's. No, because this looks so bad. Oh. Hold on a minute. I feel like I'm gonna have better luck with this. It's not even doing anything. Why did I think I could do this? Like, what is this chunk that's occurring? Like, why is that like that? It's like a shelf. Like, what is that? Okay. Why is it like that? Oh my god. My toxic trait is thinking that I can do everything, and I just I've discovered that I was incorrect about that. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Am I filming? I really hope I am. Yes, I am. Okay. How is this not, how is it getting worse? I don't understand. I don't know if it would be better if I put in a ponytail again and just like cut it, or because like what is that even gonna do at this point? Like what? What? I don't understand like why it's so choppy. I think I've created a technique. Okay. Yeah, no. This is gonna work. This is gonna work. Okay. I'm just gonna connect that. Right, okay. Okay. Well, what the f is this then? No, because what is that? Like, what is this long piece? Like, what is that? Like, I'm giving myself a scene haircut. Like, this is just not meant to be like this. It's fine. I was like literally going somewhere. What happened? I don't know. How to fix this? Like, oh, what? Okay. Like, did that make it better or worse? We don't know. Every tutorial is like, just over direct the hair. It's fine. Well, what if what if I have this happening? Okay, well, how come this side was like not cut at all? Like, what happened here? What's occurring? Okay, it's looking like crap. I am going off camera and try to do something else. I don't know what's going on. Here's where we are. I have really choppy layers right now. It's not great. I am choking on my own hair. I am eating my hair. I don't hate this. Hair grows back, which is why I risk messing it up so bad, because it does grow back. But now I'm gonna do a ponytail in the back and then try to get myself layers back there, which terrifies me because of how the layers end up in front. Like, I just feel like it's gonna mess it up. But we're gonna do that. I'm also, okay, so I have an undercut, right? And I don't want to lose like all the length that I have. So I might just take out like, okay, so I'm gonna part like all of the top of my hair basically out. If I just leave like this much, just so I have some length, like, you know, my hair looks so oily. It's literally clean. It's fine. I also have no idea if you are seeing any of what I'm doing, but it's cool. I'm so terrified of what this is about to do. Can you even see what I'm doing? Like, hi, I'm about to cut this. Okay. Am I supposed to direct it forward? I think I'm supposed to direct it forward. Okay. Okay. That was something. Cool. Did that do anything? Okay, I'm pretty sure that did absolutely nothing. So I'm just gonna take all my hair. How bad can I mess it up at this point? I'm just gonna comb it forward. Okay, I'm not even gonna lie, my hair would be so cute if it was like this length. My hair's been this length before, it's fine. Anyways. Okay, but like one more time. look how cute I would be if my hair was this thing. Anyway. Okay, like I can see that there's like layers occurring, but I just like can't tell. I don't want to cut off too much. Okay, let's see if that did anything. My hair looks the same length. Hello? Do I have layers? I don't know. Pretty sure that did absolutely nothing, so I'm gonna do it again. I just don't care at this point. It's fine. Did that do anything? Do I have layers? Please someone tell me that my hair doesn't look like absolute shit. I just looked at the back and like there's sort of kind of layers. Like there's some sort of layer happening. It's not ideal. But like my hair does not want to part in the middle. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. I don't know what is going on here. Like I don't know what went astronomically wrong. And how I don't look like absolutely terrible. Like it's not good, don't get me wrong, but like I don't know what happened. I gave up on the microphone and actually, you know, making it look nice. I'm gonna try to fix this a little bit more so it's not as choppy. The back is just like okay, I don't know if you can, that's what my camera was on, my phone was on. Like the back has like barely some sort of layer. I just, it's something for sure. I'm gonna try to fix how choppy this is, but it's kind of getting seam grown. I'm kind of living for it, so like I'm not even that mad. It's fine. So the more I cut, the worse it looks. So I'm just gonna stop cutting, and I think I'm gonna try to wash it and see what happens. I don't know. I blended it as good as I could. I can't really be bothered to fix the back or even really look at the back, to be honest, because I don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna shower because I'm covered in hair. I'm gonna wash it, even though I literally washed it yesterday. It's so bad to wash your hair all the time. But yeah, I don't know. Okay, this is the final look. I'm not apologizing for what I did because it looks good when it's styled. I got my new piercing. I did my makeup. I think it looks really good. I can't believe that the opportunity to look this good was given to me the entire time and I wasn't taking it. So I hope Brad Mondo watches this and he's very scared the whole time and then I prove him wrong. But if not, if you are not Brad Mondo and you're watching this, thank you so much for watching whatever this video was. Hopefully I will upload more videos regularly. But until then, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.